Hey, is your Xiaomi phone heating even without gaming? Let's cool it down in some fast and quick fixes. Fix 1. Disable location scanning. Go to settings, tap locations, scroll down, tap location services, turn off Wi-Fi scanning, turn off Bluetooth scanning, go back and check which apps are using locations, remove access from apps that don't need it, and that's it. And that will help your phone to cool it down. Fix 2. Remove your phone case. Take off your phone cases, especially if it's thick or rubber. Use the phone for 10 or 15 minutes without the case and see if the temperature drops. If drops, that's mean your phone case was holding the heat. That's why you are feeling your phone is getting hotter. Fix 3. Restart the phone. Press and hold the power button, tap restart, wait until the phone boots up. Now monitor the temperature. Sometimes it was just a common glitches, and that will cause your phone to heat it up. Fix 4. Check for updates. Now go to settings, tap about phone, tap HyperOS versions, tap check for updates. If you see any updates, download and install it. After installing, restart the phone once more. Updates specially fix system related bugs. That should reduce your heating issue after 1 or 2 days. So that's the quick fixes. Heating should reduce now. So use about few hours your phone, then came back and like in our video, because this will help you to reduce this problem. And subscribe for more working tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and obviously share with your friends who are facing the same issues.